Hi everyone! So I went to the beach a couple days ago, and on the drive up there, my friends and I were exchanging a bunch of songs, and one of them played this in the car. I became obsessed with it, and I promised myself I was gonna learn it, so here you go. This is Tennessee Orange by Megan Maroney. Mama, I'm calling, I've got some news. Don't you tell Daddy, he will refuse. Don't worry, I'm doing okay. I know you raised me to know right from wrong. It ain't what you're thinking, I'm still writing songs. Just never thought I'd see the day. I've never felt this way. I met somebody and he's got blue eyes. He opens the door and he don't make me cry. He ain't from where we're from, but he feels like home. Yeah, he's got me doing things I've never done. In Georgia they call it a sin. I'm wearing Tennessee orange for him. Took me to Knoxville last Saturday, and I wore the hat on his dash to the game. It sure wasn't Athens, but I fell for him under those kneeling lights. I met somebody, and he's got blue eyes. He opens the door and he don't make me cry. He ain't from where we're from, but he feels like home. Yeah, he's got me doing things I've never done. In Georgia they call it a sin. I'm wearing Tennessee orange for him. Mama, forgive me, I like him a lot. Hell, I'm learning the words to Old Rocky Top. And he's got a smile that makes me forget I've always looked better in red. I met somebody and he's got blue eyes. He opens the door and he don't make me cry. He ain't from where we're from, but he feels like home. Yeah, he's got me doing things I've never done. I met somebody and he's got blue eyes. He opens the door and he don't make me cry. He ain't from where we're from, but he feels like home. Yeah, he's got me doing things I've never done. In Georgia they call it a sin, and I still